Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive. Stock number B87878. 65,000 miles in this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Brilliant black in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Cherokee seats 5, two-tone cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, allowing the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, as well as power sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB8787A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.